Hi, this is David Oberlander, and this is my final project for 3D simulation. This is level 3. The title of it is The Final Escape, which you'll see in the menu later. The terrain is set 400 to 400. It does have multiple textures applied to it, such as rock, sand, and grass, and then asphalt here. And then it does have, of course, various trees. And then there are these buildings that I got from Kit Bash 3D that you'll see in the credits as well. So awesome 3D models that I was able to use and build off of. And then we do have multiple interactable objects, such as these planks here. We do have a few of the rails that you'll be able to slide on, multiple balls you'll be able to change to, as well as checkpoints. We do have a kind of like well, this is a mirror, so basically kind of like one of those video billboards. So you will be able to see yourself in there as you're rolling around. And we do have splines that you'll be able to roll over, and then you'll be able to interact with this little code at the end, or near the end, to rotate these hexagons that have a different number on each side. And you'll be able to find the numbers to be able to put in the code to turn on the elevator to go to the next step. So that is my level. I do also have the HUD, which is a crosshair, so that you can be able to pick up certain objects. It'll turn red for the objects that you are able to pick up or interact with. And then you are able to left click for pickup, right click to throw, or you can rotate the object using the scroll wheel on your mouse. And then of course you do have your timer. So as far as the code goes, well, when you first start up the level, it does run this create code, which basically creates the random numbers for that hexagon code that you'll be inputting in. So you do need to find those around or in the map to be able to turn on the elevator, but it did not make it challenging to be able to see those. Then the cylinders, as they're rotated, it does check to validate the code. Pretty much the raycast pointer is that using that crosshair to be able to determine the distance that you are from the object, which is specified as a serialized field. And then it tells if that object is an interacting object in the interact layer, which is specified as a serialized field. So if that object, let's say a large crate, is in the interact layer and it has a tag of interacting object, then you are able to interact with it. In this case, it will run the pickup script to pick up the object and bring it in front of you. If it is in the interact layer but has the code cylinder, then it will rotate that cylinder to the next number, and then it'll check the code in that for that specific cylinder to see if the numbers match. So the my pickup this is the script to pick up the object. So as you pick it up, you have the option to drop it by letting go of the left mouse button or pressing the right mouse button to throw it. And then you have the scroll wheel to rotate the object. And here is the script to be able to actually pick up the object as long as nothing else is equipped. The script to drop the object, and then to throw it. Now if you do throw it into the respawn area, At the beginning, when the script is first ran, so at the beginning of the level, each of the interacting objects, the starting position and rotation is set and saved. So when those objects do hit that respawn layer or plane object, then those will respawn directly back to where they originally started. Okay, so that is some of my code there. So we'll go ahead and start with the menu and play the game and have a look. We'll make it a little bit bigger. So here you have your levels, level 1, and there's the names that I have for each level, and a screenshot of each level as well. Level 3, the final escape. I do have level 1 in dark mode as well, and then I do have sandbox for just kind of messing around with a few of the objects. I do have a settings. You are able to adjust the music, as well as the sound effects. And that does carry through to your levels as well. So we'll start. We'll just do the 3. there you go. That's my level. Thank you.